विराट कोहली ने कहा कि उन्हें भारतीय टीम की कप्तानी दिलाने में महेंद्र सिंह धोनी की बड़ी भूमिका रही है। धोनी की कप्तानी में इंटरनेशनल क्रिकेट करियर की शुरुआत करने वाले कोहली ने कहा कि उन्हें यह जिम्मेदारी अचानक नहीं मिली। धोनी ने उन पर जो भरोसा जताया है वह काफ़ी अहम है। कोहली ने रविचंद्रन अश्विन के साथ इंस्टाग्राम चैट के दौरान यह बातें कहीं। उन्होंने कहा कि धोनी का उन पर ध्यान देना और रणनीति पर चर्चा करना उनके कप्तान बनने में काफ़ी सहायक रहा है। धोनी ने 2014 ऑस्ट्रेलियाई दौरे पर टेस्ट से कप्तानी छोड़ दी थी। इसके बाद कोहली को कप्तानी दी गई थी। 2018 में भारत ने ऑस्ट्रेलिया में 2-1 से टेस्ट सीरीज अपने नाम की थी। कोहली को सीमित ओवरों की कप्तानी जनवरी 2017 में मिली थी।
19 Indian captain, right? Where you triumphed in Kuala Lumpur, if I'm not wrong. So
Yeah.
from there on, there is a certain set of them. I mean, at least about 50% of the team went on to play for India. Not sure about the longevity, but it constantly happens, right? A lot of people make the cut and a lot of them don't. And you have gone on to not just make the cut from captain under 19 India to become captain of the Indian team. So how has this transition happened? Is there something that was process driven or has it just happened?
Well, look, I was someone who always liked taking responsibility. Then under 19 happened, and not many people know that I became captain of the under 19 team one tour before the World Cup. I wasn't the captain before that.
Okay.
We went to South Africa. That's when I became captain, and then I was given captaincy in the under 19 World Cup as well, which we won. So that was the beginning of it. But I used to captain my club team. I used to captain state teams also, and I used to like the responsibility. Then I captained Ranji as well after that in a season with all the seniors around. So I was never overawed by captaincy or taking the team together. I think some things are destined to be. You're right. I mean, there are many cases that I can remember. Many brilliant players, many talented players who did not make the cut, and that's an unfortunate part of our sport. We all know that. Someone you might have played with, which you thought, this guy surely is going to go to the next level. They don't. So I think that's an unfortunate part of our sport. So it made me realize that if I'm getting the opportunity, I looked at it this way: if I'm getting the opportunity, I need to work as hard as I can, because not many people get this chance. So yeah, a lot of the players from that lot played the IPL. Played Jaddu is from that lot, Manish is from that lot, Saurabh Tiwari played for India, he's from that lot. So a lot of players played for Siddharth Kaul played from that lot. A lot of people who did well. So yeah, I think I was always inclined to taking responsibility. Becoming captain of India was not even in my wildest dreams, to be honest. We all started playing at a similar time. I mean, I made my test debut before you. You made it just after in the next series, if I'm not wrong.
Correct.
And after that, I think it was all about just wanting to play, wanting to be in the 11 regularly, wanting to, put my foot down and say, okay, I didn't play all the games, but I wanted to be discussed that, whether this guy is good enough to play or not. I think that is a transition slowly that happens. Then with your intrigue in the game, you start talking to the captain regularly. I was always in MS's ears, standing next to him, ye kar sakte, wo kar sakte, what do you think? He would deny a lot of things, but he would discuss a lot of things as well. So I think he got a lot of confidence that I can do this after him. I think it was a large portion of me becoming captain was also to do with him observing me for a long period of time. It just can't happen like, he goes and then selectors say, okay, you become captain. Obviously, the guy who's there, he takes responsibility and says, okay, I think this is the next guy. And I will tell you how he's going, and then slowly that transition is formed, which I think he played a big role in that. And that trust you have to build over 6-7 years. It just doesn't happen overnight. And I think it's a process.